Bonjour, c'est Franck. This is episode 2 of French pronunciation for beginners. If you're catching the series in this episode, I highly recommend that you go to episode 1 of this series and that you download the accompanying worksheet. It is also available in the description of this episode. Watch episode 1, follow the instructions so that you have a good and strong base to start this exercise. Now on to episode 2. You have now also reviewed the content of episode 1 because you will be tested on that content in this episode. Let's go back to the alphabet and we're moving on to the 9th letter. Listen carefully, repeat aloud, and write the letter you hear at the same time as you write aloud. This is a crucial step. Je commence. I start. I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, now we're done with that section of the alphabet. We are going to move on to the dictée, the dictation. Remember, baby step. So this is baby step number 2, episode 2. Here is the dictée. Numéro 1. J, O, I, E. Je répète. J, O, I, E. Now the entire word. Joie. And that means happiness. Numéro 2. M, O, N, D, E. Je répète. M, O, N, D, E. The entire word. Monde. That means world or the world. Numéro 3. K, A, K, I. Je répète. K, A, K, I. The word khaki. Like the khaki color in English, but without the H. Numéro 4. P, E, I, N, E. Je répète. P, E, I, N, E. Pen. And that means pain or trouble. Numéro 5. E, P, O, N, G, E. Je répète. E, P, O, N, G, E. Éponge. Don't forget to repeat the words as you're writing them when I give you the entire word. Éponge means sponge. A sponge. Numéro 6. L. A. C. H. E. Je répète. L. A. C. H. E. Lâche. Lâche. Which means coward or let go. Remember, if you did not get all 6 words correctly, don't give up. Instead, review how you learned the material. Were you able to concentrate? Were you at the right place, in a quiet place without any distraction? Did you follow each step? Did you first review episode 1 prior to starting episode 2? If you've missed any of these 3 steps, you want to make sure that you do that so that you have success right on the get-go. In episode 3, you will review the contents of the first 2 episodes, finish the phonetic alphabet, read aloud the dictée words, and be quizzed on 3 dictée words meaning in episode 1 and 2. So remember to review. Review prior to starting episode 3. Voilà, c'est tout. Merci. Au revoir.